If you don't like lag but still want to play Titan Quest 2 on your Steam Deck, then follow these fast tweaks to get buttery smooth gameplay. Start by jumping into the in-game settings. For display, set your resolution to 1024 by 640 and drop all graphics options, especially shadow quality, effects, and reflections, to their lowest. Now switch upscaling to TSR and set the render scale around 65%. FSR3, skip it. It causes major input lag and stuttering. Next, zoom the camera in just a bit. It can boost your frames by reducing what's on screen. Disable camera shake and set background FPS to 30 for extra stability. Now, press the Quick Access button on your Steam Deck, head to the Performance menu, and enable NIS scaling. Keep sharpness around 8. Don't forget to turn on the Performance overlay to watch your frame rate in real time. Remember, Titan Quest 2 is still in early access, so save often. Tweak these settings as you play. For best results, experiment and see what works for you.